നമസ്കാരം. കേരള PSC സിവിൽ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗിൻ്റെ ഇൻഫോർമേറ്റീവായ മറ്റൊരു വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് ഒരു പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ്. ഡെപ്യൂട്ടി ടൗൺ പ്ലാനർ എക്സാം ആണ്. കാറ്റഗറി നമ്പർ 336/2014. 23/5/2016 ഈ എക്സാം നടന്നിട്ടുള്ളത്. ആൽഫ കോഡ് A ആയിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് നേരെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറിലേക്ക് പോകാം. Question 21. The ratio of shear stress to shear strain is called. Correct answer option A, modulus of rigidity. Question 22. The criteria for failure of brittle materials as per Rankine's theory is based on. Correct answer option B, principal stress. Question 23. The ratio of bending moment at the center of a simply supported beam of span L subjected to a point load of W at the center of the bending moment at the center of the same beam when a total load of W is uniformly distributed over the entire span is. Correct answer option A, 2. Question 24. The carryover factor in moment distribution method for a prismatic member whose far end is fixed is. Correct answer option B, 1/2. Question 25. The most commonly used retarder in cement is. Correct answer option A, gypsum. Question 26. The property of cement measured by Le Chatelier apparatus is. Correct answer option D, soundness. Question 27. The maximum permissible span for a cantilever of effective depth 0.4 meter to satisfy the deflection requirements as per IS 456/2000 is. Correct answer option A, 2.8 meter. Question 28. If the depth of neutral axis is greater than the critical depth of neutral axis, then the beam is called. Correct answer option C, over reinforced. Question 29. A gantry girder is subjected to. Correct answer option D, lateral, longitudinal and vertical loads. Question 30. The cross section with the largest shape factor is. Correct answer option D, diamond. Question 31. An isobar is a line which connects all points below the ground surface at which. Correct answer option C, the vertical stress is the same. Question 32. The soil in India are classified according to. Correct answer option C, particle size classification. Question 33. The strength of soil is usually identified by. Correct answer option C, ultimate shear stress. Question 34. Foundation failure may occur due to. Correct answer option D, all of the above. Question 35. The soil transported by flowing water is called. Correct answer option C, alluvial soil. Question 36. The arrangement made to deliver the train from one track to another track is known as. Correct answer option C, turnout. Question 37. As per IRC, the carriageway width for two-lane traffic should be. Correct answer option A, 7.5 meter. Question 38. Patching should be done just. Correct answer option A, after rainy season. Question 39. Which of the following is not a landing aid? Correct answer option A, beacon. Question 40. The breakwater is provided. Correct answer option C, both of the above. Question 41. Alcohol is used in manometers because. Correct answer option D, alcohol is lighter as such gives longer length of column for precise measurement. Question 42. Vacuum pressure is equivalent to. Correct answer option A, atmospheric pressure minus absolute pressure. Question 43. A pipe is said to be long if its length exceeds. Correct answer option A, 1000 times the diameter of the pipe. Question 44. Runoff can be estimated by. Correct answer option D, any of the above. Question 45. The yield of a well depend on. Correct answer option C, actual flow velocity. Question 46. Which of the following categories best describes the Hirakud Reservoir? Correct answer option B, reservoir for flood control, irrigation and power. Question 47. Turbidity is measured on. Correct answer option B, standard silica scale. Question 48. Lagooning is. Correct answer option D, method of sludge disposal. Question 49. In the oxidation ditch, the excess sludge is taken to. Correct answer option C, drying bed. Question 50. Which of the following industry is least polluting? Correct answer option B, electronic industry. Question 51. When the meridian of a place changes with time, then this meridian will be. Correct answer option B, magnetic. Question 52. The lines of force of Earth's magnetic field are parallel to the Earth's surface. Correct answer option D, near the equator. Question 53. The benchmark established by the Survey of India Department with very high precision with reference to mean sea level is known as. Correct answer option B, permanent benchmark. Question 54. When a contractor is paid certain percentage over the actual cost of construction as his profit, such contract is termed as. Correct answer option D, cost plus percentage contract. Question 55. Estimate expected to be least accurate is. Correct answer option B, plinth area estimate. Question 56. The valuation of a building depends upon. Correct answer option D, all of the above. Question 57. When the times of earliest finish and the latest finish are equal in an operation, the operation is called. Correct answer option A, critical. Question 58. PERT is. Correct answer option B, event oriented. Question 59. What is the time by which the completion of a activity can be delayed without affecting the start of succeeded activities called? Correct answer option D, free float. Question 60. Which one of the following shovel excavators is considered most efficient in load carries? Correct answer option A, dipper shovel. Question 61. In which year the capital of Punjab was implemented as Chandigarh? Correct answer option D, 1950. Question 62. To avoid the toxic and undesirable smell and gases from industrial zone, on which part of the city industries shall be provided? Correct answer option A, leeward side. Question 63. In which period the Indus Valley civilization took place? Correct answer option B, 3000 BC. Question 64. Who said that India lives in its mirrored village? Wishes India will perish too. Correct answer option A, Mahatma Gandhi. Question 65. Which planned city is an union territory administered by the union government? Correct answer option D, Chandigarh. Question 66. In which year low income group housing scheme was introduced? Correct answer option C, 1954. Question 67. Why urban housing policy is not possible without urban land control? Correct answer option A, fluctuating land value. Question 68. In which circumstance the CITCO was formed? Correct answer option B, Navi Mumbai project. Question 69. In cul-de-sac type layout of houses, what shall be the desirable length of cul-de-sac? Correct answer option C, 80 to 100 meter. Question 70. Which is the sixth plan period for urban housing implemented by the Planning Commission? Correct answer option D, 1980 to 85. Question 71. Who gave the concept of garden city? Correct answer option C, Ebenezer Howard. Question 72. What is the main purpose of providing green belt all around the town or city? Correct answer option D, control growth of town. Question 73. What is the limit of population advocated by Ebenezer Howard in his garden city? Correct answer option B, 30,000 to 40,000. Question 74. Which is the necessary prerequisite for studies of a city? Correct answer option A, urban ecology. Question 75. Which are the two disinfective features that are manifested in the homogeneity of occupation of space as specified in spatial theory of Edo Rossi? Correct answer option B, mass and density. Question 76. Which is the first residential international university that had a long illustrious life lasted for 800 years? Correct answer option C, Nalanda. Question 77. Which is the scheme implemented by the Ministry of Rural Development exclusively through Panchayat? Correct answer option A, Sampurna Gramin Yojana. Question 78. According to the garden city principle, on which part of a town the shopping centers are provided? Correct answer option C, edge. Question 79. In which year the Garden City Association was formed? Correct answer option D, 1899. Question 80. In which period the trade and commerce shown a gradual development? Correct answer option A, medieval. Question 81. What is the major concern while preparing a development plan? Correct answer option B, flexible plan. Question 82. In concentric form of the growth of town, which category of people desires to live nearest the town nucleus? Correct answer option D, extremely poor. Question 83. Who described that a place where men had a common life for a noble end? Correct answer option A, Plato. Question 84. Which is the main and effective tool for a town planner in designing a town? Correct answer option C, zoning. Question 85. Which form of planning avoids the wasteful duplication of facilities? Correct answer option B, regional planning. Question 86. Which form of planning is greatly influenced by the economic conditions of the town? Correct answer option C, local planning. Question 87. Which of the stages during town development indicate the first sign of decline? Correct answer option A, megapoles. Question 88. What is the extent of population with which a city can be classified as metropolis? Correct answer option B, 10 lakhs and above. Question 89. In which year the Bombay Town and Country Planning Act was actually enforced? Correct answer option C, 1957. Question 90. Who is the first man to introduce sociological concept in town planning? Correct answer option C, Patrick Geddes. Question 91. Which of the following area is highlighted in Brundtland Commissioner's report? Correct answer option D, sustainable development. Question 92. How many rating levels are provided by the LEED rating system for green buildings? Correct answer option A, 4. Question 93. Which of the following is the major cause of depletion of ozone layer? Correct answer option A, chlorofluorocarbons. Question 94. Which is actually responsible for global warming phenomena? Correct answer option B, greenhouse gases. Question 95. Which is the third dimension of sustainability apart from ecological and social dimension? Correct answer option C, economic. Question 96. Sewage may be disposed of without treatment into a water body if the available dilution is. Correct answer option D, more than 500. Question 97. The name of street system planned in conformity with topography and scenic effect of the area. Correct answer option B, organic street system. Question 98. Which is the important tool for ensuring optimal use of natural resources for sustainable development? Correct answer option C, EIA. Question 99. According to US Environmental Protection Agency, about how much ozone molecules could be destroyed by one chlorine atom? Correct answer option A, 1 lakh. Question 100. What is meant by sewage sickness? Correct answer option C. Soil pores getting clogged with continuous application of sewage.